Mathrotrix channel. Please share and subscribe and give your comments also. In this video, we'll continue that MCQs now fourth 81 raised to 0.13 into 81 raised to 0.12 equal to. So it is very simple. Here base is same and multiplication is there. Base, then first law, that law we studied, that if base is same and multiplication is there, we have to add the index. Now see here, we use this law. Here I have written, see, first problem is written as it is. This is MCQ, roughly also you can solve, or otherwise if like this coming solving, that you have to solve properly stepwise, like this I told in previous video also. Now see, 81 raised to 0.13 plus 0.15. So if you are doing addition is coming 0.25. So 0.25, that means what? Here we are removing decimal point, so 25 upon 100, and 25 if we are dividing, then 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100, so 1 upon 4. So 81 raised to 1 upon 4, and 81 means what? 3 raised to 4. Here 4 is there, 3 raised to 4. So 4 ones are for multiplication we are using here. No, you know that a raised to m raised to n equal to mn. So if you are doing multiplication 4 into 1 upon 4, then 4 ones are 4. So it is coming 1. Answer is coming 1. Okay. See here, equal to 1. That means 3 raised to 1. 3 raised to 1 means it is a 3. So where is the your option? Check that your answer came 3. So B is option. This is the B. Then second, if 3 raised to x equal to 3 raised to minus x, then 1.2 raised to x equal to. So very simple, 3 raised to x equal to 3 raised to minus x, means whatever it is there equal to minus it is written. Minus index is minus, and that are the equal minus x. So here x equal to, here we are using this a raised to n equal to a raised to m n equal to m. This law we are using. So here base is same, so x equal to minus x. This minus x we are transposing this side, so x plus x equal to 0. 2x equal to 0, x equal to 0. 1.2 raised to x, x value we got the 0, that means 1.2 is equal to 1. So 1 is a answer. Then see, if 9 into 81 raised to x equal to 1 upon 27 raised to 1 upon 27 raised to x minus 3, then x equal to, option is given. See, this is the given problem. So 9 square means it is a 3 square, 81 means it is a 3 raised to 4 raised to x, 1 upon 27 means 3 cube raised to x minus 3. So 3 square into, here also we use the a raised to m in raised to n equal to a raised to mn, means 3 in this 4 into x, 3 raised to 4x equal to, here also same we use then. So here now base is same, so we are adding this index equal to 1 upon, here 3 raised to, we have to multiply to whole bracket this 3 in by 3 we will whole bracket we have to multiply 3 into x, that means 3x, 3 into minus 3 minus 9. Now here this one as it is. Now this 1 upon 3 will write that reciprocal is 3, so index become minus, we have to make the bracket. So 3 raised to minus, inside the bracket 3x minus 9. Now here base is same, so 2x plus 4x equal to minus 3x minus 9 we can write. So this law we are used, a raised to n equal to a raised to m, so n equal to m. So 2 plus 4x equal to minus 3x plus 9. Now 4x as it is, minus 3x we are transposing, 9 minus 2 here, then 7x, subtraction is 7, so x equal to 7 upon 7, x equal to 1. So where is our option? X equal to, so C is your option. So please share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.